Here is Pterodactyl, chief archaeologist and flying instructor. This is Pterodactylus gananaqueus.
Okay, there you go.
Look at this, the parade of the dinosaurs.
Where do you want to go?
Just a minute. Where's the car from this? Where's the unit?
It's
Coming from almost.
Yeah, it's coming from slightly north there.
that's the kill switch. Yeah.
Too far,
Oh, I don't mind.
These 6 feet could be alright. It's squirrely when it slows down.
Really?
All right.
Did you get some of that?
I think we got a little bit. Yep.
Oh, great.
Let's get in position.
Windier than it was this morning.
Okay.
You ready?
Ooh.
Oh, lost the aileron, lost the ailerons or something. Did you get the picture of that?
Yeah. Here he comes. Here he comes. Give her another shot. You'll get it this time. Give her another shot. Give her a quick shot. She'll come down.
She's stuck. Her tail. Her tail.
She's trying. The howl. This is the howl of the pterodactyl.
Whoa!
Oh! Oh! Okay. Okay.
Shit, I missed it.
Hey, guard, what do you usually say? Did you get that? Yes, very much. Thank you.
Break him in right.
Okay.